Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time here, you're so much welcomed. And to my pre-existing supporters, I'm really grateful for your unending support. So today I'm going to do a full facial makeup, the one that I had in my first introductory video. I had promised you guys that I'm going to show you how I did it, and yes, today is the day. And if you like the video, please give it a very big thumbs up. Share your thoughts in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe. So what you do, you use this two-sided brush to comb your eyebrows going upwards. We want to give it a proper outline before we draw it. And then I'm going to use a black eye pencil to line my eyebrows. And while using a black eye pencil, don't press in the pencil too hard on your eyebrows. We want to achieve a natural look as much as possible. We are going to make a frame. This frame is the shape of the brows that we are going to have. Take your time while making a frame on your brows, and as you shade your eyebrows, start from the tail going inwards. Draw really light strokes. Don't press in the pencil onto your eyebrows. Start from the tail going inwards while making really light strokes. Use this brush to blend in the product. We want a uniform blending, so it is important that you brush inside the eyebrows, and also start from the tail towards the inner side of your eyebrows. We are going to use a concealer to conceal our eyebrows. This actually really helps your eyebrows to look neat. And while concealing your eyebrows, don't use so much product. This gives you easy time to clean up or remove the excess product, and also it helps to avoid the product mounting just below your eyebrows. So always try and clean as you move. Don't apply the product first then come back later to clean. Just clean as you move. And remember, what you do onto this eye is what you do onto the other eye. Take your time applying the product and also removing the excess product, and follow the shape of the outline you made. If you're not keen enough, this is the stage where you will mess up your eyebrows, because the concealer will go inside your eyebrows and you don't want that. So just take your time while applying and also removing the excess concealer. Then use this brush to brush the inner corner of your eyebrows. It really helps to pick excess product and also to blend in. And I do this to pick any excess product from the inner corner of my eyebrows, and it works. So take your concealer and conceal your eyelids using the tapping technique. Take your time tapping the concealer onto your skin. Let it really settle onto your skin, because if it settles on your skin, your eyeshadow will definitely settle really well on your eyelids. So for my transitioning color, I'm going to use a deep dark maroon. On the outer corner of my eye, I'm going to tap in the product. Remember to always tap in the product at the outer corner of your eye. Tap in the product, and as you go towards the inner corner of your eye, making the atmospheric transition. Pick the excess product from the outer corner of your eye and apply it going towards the inner corner of your eye. On the inner corner of your eye, rub the product. Don't tap in the product. Rub the product, because we want this product to really transist really well going towards the inner corner of your eye. I'm going to use this brush to make a cut crease. And I do that so that I can get the borders within which I should crease my eyelids, sorry. Just take your time while also making your cut crease. And while applying your concealer on your cut crease, especially when you're using a concealer, don't use so much product. And as you cut your crease using a concealer, tap in the product, because this also picks up the excess product from your cut crease. I'm going to use a golden brown color for the inner corner of my eye, and I'm using the tap wipe technique. I'm tapping as I wipe. I'm tapping as I wipe. I'm tapping as I wipe. And then I'm going to use a shimmery red color for the other half of my cut crease. And I'm going to use the tap and rub technique. And I'm rubbing it as it goes towards my transitioning color. It like blends onto my transitioning color. And then I take my brush that I used on my transitioning color to blend in the product so that the transition can be warm. Do the same for the other eye. At the outer corner of your eye, tap the product, tap the eyeshadow. The same technique you used on the other eye is the same technique you should use on this other eye, because we want our eyes to look the same, like we try to make it look the same. On your cut crease, if you're not using an eyeshadow base coat, don't apply too much concealer. And always, after applying your falsies, press in your falsies to your natural eyebrows. We want it to be secured really well. Then I'm going to use my Rimmel Stay Matte primer, and I'm massaging it onto my skin, concentrating on the T-zone, that is the nose, and forehead. Make sure you apply a generous amount of primer onto your face, and then I'm going to apply my foundation, and in this case I'm using a damp beauty blender, and blend as you move towards every other part of your face. Don't like put in the product first then come back and blend. No, just blend as you move, because it helps your foundation to settle really well onto your skin. And then also I'm going to conceal my under eye. While concealing, I also conceal as I move. I apply the product as I blend, and I'm still using a damp beauty blender. And also don't use so much product while concealing, just use enough product, because if you use so much product concealing your under eye, you will look like you're having different colors on your face. So just use enough amount of concealer. And then I'm going to conceal my nose. I try to maintain a straight line on the bone of my nose, and I tap in the product as I move. We want to achieve a really natural look as much as possible. And then also conceal your forehead just above your eyebrows. Tap in the product, make sure it has really settled and blended in onto your skin really well. And then I'm going to use my Sacha butter powder to bake the concealed areas, and I'm still using a damp beauty blender, and I'm tapping in the product as I move. Don't leave the product there for some time then later come. It usually really looks weird if you like let it be there for quite some time. So I'd rather you blend it, or rather press it in immediately you apply it. And I usually use this technique when I don't want to contour my face. It gives an illusion of a contoured face, so I just apply my powder just below, or rather on my jawbone, and I get the illusion of like a contoured face. And then use this brush to remove excess powder from your skin. Take your compact powder and apply the powder all over your face. We want a natural and a uniform color on our skin. Don't like press in the brush also so hard on your skin. Just use it lightly on to your skin, and make sure you cover all areas of your face. I'm going to use this fan brush to highlight my nose and my cheekbone, and right now I'm concentrating on the tip of my nose, and then on the other part of my nose, like the bone of my nose, I just tap in the product. Then I highlight my cheekbone. Always highlight your cheekbone, not your cheeks. Highlight your cheekbone and not your cheeks. And don't use so much product while highlighting. Just use enough product. I'm going to use my black eye pencil on my under eye. This helps me to achieve a bold look on my eyes. And also I'm still going to use the same eye pencil to outline my lips, because today I'm going to use a lip gloss. For people who have fuller lips like me, draw your line within your lips. Outline the line within your lips. If you want to achieve fuller lips and you have small lips, just go beyond your natural lip outline. Then apply your lip gloss. Just apply enough amount of lip gloss if you want a warm look, and you can add just a little if you want it so much glossy. And then take your setting spray and set your face. This is the final step of your makeup application. So this is our final look. You can actually play back and compare your notes, the before and after. I really love that my makeup has settled really well onto my face. And now this is our final look. Thank you. Bye. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Bye bye. See you next time.